Now with the next dish, we're moving to Egypt. And this is a dish that is called Rummaniyya. It's from the cookbook Kanz from the 14th century. And it essentially is tiny meatballs in a pomegranate sauce with pistachios. And this Rummaniyya is a dish that also appears in European cookbooks of that time. So this is there we start to already move to have a dish that exists in several regions, but that is clearly inspired by a Middle Eastern dish. Now, we are using now the recipe from Egypt, the original one that is from the Liber de Coquina, which comes from France or Italy, also in the 14th century, uses chicken instead of meatballs, and it uses almonds instead of pistachios. But essentially it's the same, and it even has the same name. Now the recipe starts with prepare a concentrated meat broth. So this I already did in advance. They would have used probably rather sheep. I have beef here. This is a beef broth, and I have minced meat. Now the point is to make tiny meatballs. It says the size of hazelnuts actually should be even a little smaller, but I think that's fine. And put them into the prepared broth. Now, that being done, here, lots of meatballs, we add some sweet rose water, and the pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is quite sour, so again here we have the sweet and sour element. And we also add some saffron, like that. And now we bring the whole thing to the boil. Meanwhile, I prepare the remaining ingredients, which is fresh mint, chopped and crushed pistachios. Voila. And some pistachios. The mint. Now that the meatballs have boiled, we add the mint and the crushed pistachios. And this is ready to serve.